everyone, today I will show you how you can export an orthophoto from our platform. The purpose is to review a layout project drawing with as-built drawing. So you're gonna hit here export orthophoto. You add a clipping box. In this clipping box you can define what you want to take in the scene. So as we want the slab, we're gonna remove the roof. You can choose if you want right view, left view, or top view in our case. And then you hit X-ray, which is highlighting all the edges of the element. And from this, just hit export. I recommend you to put this in the folder because you're gonna have the DXF and also the picture related with. Your orthophoto is now being exported as a DXF and high quality picture. I can review it on AutoCAD and save it as a DWG because it's the file type that I'm gonna use later for external reference. So I'm now all set to do my project slab review. So this is the project slab drawing that I had during the project. I import here the reference of my orthophoto here. You need to be careful about the scales because the export from Prevu3D are in meters, and as my drawing here is in millimeters, I have a scale of 1000. Now I have my orthophoto imported in my drawing. So I select my drawing and I put it in the back. Like this, I'm gonna be able to overlay the drawing and the orthophoto. I select this column as a reference from here. I use it here, and then I can compare the difference between the project drawing and the as-built that I can see here in the slab. There is some difference, so it gives me the possibility to review, to do some modification, to do some adaptation to get my drawing much more accurate to the reality. So this was one of the possible workflow with an orthophoto with a 2D drawing. Thank you for your attention and keep tuned for more videos.